Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn about how you can create animations, cartoon videos. So in this in this Canva tutorial, we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So let me take quickly one presentations or page. Okay, this is my first page. I have one page only here. So there is a many trick in Canva that you can use and create the Canva cartoon videos, like animation cartoon videos. So I'm going to show you two tricks so you can use as per your requirement. Okay, so the in first page I'm going to just take the elements like the city road with okay, so I take this one only, make it fill all the page like this. Okay, now we can take walking man. Okay, go to the graphics and here is click on this right side arrow and just click on this animation and select the animated only. So here you can see lots of animation videos. Okay, so which one you prefer? I think okay, I just take this one. Okay, it's walking now. Okay, so just let me hide this toolbar, select that element, make it size, resize it, and make as a walking on street. Okay, so let me show you how you can make it the is actually walking on street. Okay, so it is moving forward. So just select that element, go to the animations, click create animations, and just select that, hit the shift key on your keyboard, hold it. You need to hold your shift key. Okay, then just select that element and make it forward. So you can see this is a blue line coming, and it's showing that your movement. Okay, after done you can see this walking man going forward. And another movement style, you can make it steady so it is look very natural. You can also decrease the speed, you can see. And here add any, if you want to add any effects if you want. Okay, it's like rotate, it's flicker. After done, just delete, click on done. So this animation page has been done. Okay, now you can download as a mp4. Okay, the another trick or method you can use, like let me undo everything, so I will show you from initial starting. Okay, first I'm going to, where it is, okay. Okay guys, so this is my background, so let me fix for, okay, fill it with this background, the page. Okay, fill the page with this background. Now again you need to insert that walking or any other elements. Okay, so let me insert any elements like, okay, this. Okay, so just keep it small. Okay, like this, or you can make the size as per your requirement. Okay, now just go to this page, click on these three dot options and make it duplicate. Okay, now this is my first page, this is my second page. Now come to the second page and click that elements which is boy with the dog, and make it, keep it as a at the right side and maximize the size. Okay, so I just maximize the size like this. Okay, now just keep the cursor between that two page and click on this add transitions. Here we need to select that move match with the move. Before that we need to select any page, select that page and go to this that timing. Okay, enable this. We need to apply this timing to all page, which is 2 page. Increase the timing like 17 or 18 per seconds. Now click on this transitions. Okay, click on these transitions between the 2 page, click on match and move option and increase the durations 5 seconds. Okay, now we are ready. Go to the preview. Now you can see this animation has done. This the boy with the dog come from your left side to right side by increasing size. Okay, so this is another animation trick you can use. There is a lots of transitions animation like dissolves, slider. Okay, here you can select the timing or whatever one. Match and move, the flow. Okay, so that is a two trick you can use, and there is a two method I show you. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.